So how to delete all email on Gmail on iPhone? If you log in or on your Gmail section, you see you not able to download all Gmail. You need to select separately. So how you can delete all Gmail account at once? For that you need to go your Safari section, desktop version. For that first you need to go your setting, Safari browser. Here it is. Go to your Safari browser, scroll down, then make your Safari browser as a desktop mode. Request desktop and make it desktop version. Now log in your Gmail account on your Safari browser. Gmail. Now you see this is the desktop version, and now you can select multiple. Go to your all mail section, then select multiple and then just press delete. It's gone. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.